Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a quick but powerful comparison, StanStore versus Shopify. Choosing between these two is kind of like choosing between a sleek, fast sales funnel and a fully loaded e-commerce storefront. One's built for speed and simplicity, the other gives you total control, but definitely needs more setup and maintenance. So let's break down exactly why you might want to use StanStore or Shopify, depending on your business model. All right, so here's a quick visual for you. Yes, I'm putting my top tier art skills to work here. Imagine a blue box on the left, that's StanStore, and a green box on the right, that's Shopify. There's a little overlap in the middle, which is basically the ability to sell products. But outside of that, these two platforms serve different purposes, and I want to help you see which one fits you best. Let's start with StanStore. The number one reason to go with StanStore is if you're selling digital products, whether it's templates, ebooks, courses, coaching, or memberships, StanStore is made for that. You don't have to duct tape together 10 apps just to get a checkout page working. It's all there from the start. Plus, like Shopify, they do offer a free trial. You'll find that link down below if you want to check it out. Now, if you're a creator, influencer, or someone growing an audience on social media, StanStore is tailor-made for you. It integrates directly with Instagram and TikTok and lets you sell straight from your bio. No jumping through hoops or linking to 5 different places, just clean, easy, direct. And here's the other big one cost. StanStore starts off cheaper, and even its Creator Pro plan, which unlocks more features, is $99 a month. Meanwhile, Shopify might seem affordable at first, but when you start adding themes, apps, and dealing with transaction fees, it can add up fast. So if you're looking for simple, clean, and creator-friendly StanStore is your go-to. Now let's flip it over and talk Shopify. If you're selling physical products, this is where Shopify shines. Clothing, gadgets, custom mugs, you name it. Shopify is built for that. StanStore can technically handle physical products, but it's really not what it's meant for. Running an online clothing brand through Stan is like trying to play a video game on a toaster. You could, but why would you? Yeah, Shopify also gives you full branding control. If you want to customize every single part of your store, from layout to fonts to customer flow, you can do it. StanStore keeps things simple and clean, which is great for speed, but not ideal if you're trying to build a full custom brand. And then there's inventory and order management. Shopify's got everything you need there. Deep tracking, automated fulfillment, shipping integrations. You can scale a serious e-commerce business with it. StanStore, it's intentionally lean. Great for simplicity, not great for warehouses of products. So here's the bottom line. Use StanStore if you're a creator selling digital products, courses, or coaching, and you want something quick, simple, and social media optimized. But use Shopify if you're going full e-commerce, selling physical products, and need deep customization and inventory tools. Both are solid options. It just depends on what you need. And if you're ready to start your own StanStore and take the first step towards building your online business, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.